Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? I am fine. My lecture, my class, my videos. Type of PPC ads, Google PPC. Type of Google PPC or type of PPC pay per click ads. Number one, three type of ads PPC ad. Number one, search, display, video, remarking, others ad type. I can start very important part in Google PPC ad, Google PPC. Type of Google PPC. The first time Google PPC search. The search pay-per-click ad are the most popular type of PPC, pay-per-click ad. A search ad appears at the top of search engine result page, SERPs, search engine result page, when a user enter a specific query, keywords or parts into a search engine, Google and Microsoft being and other most popular ads. These ads are typically text-based and are designed to be highly revenues to the use search. Advertising typically pay each time a user click on one of their ads. The cost of each click is known as CPC, cost per click. Cost per click. Search ads are the most popular way for business to promote their products or service and drive traffic on their website. Ultimately, grow your business and earn money revenue. Number two, display ad. Display ad is a type of ad that appears on website, page and other digital platforms, typically in the forms of banner, others graphics format. Display ad are displaying to be various applicant and can include a various of media, search, image, videos and include elements. Display ads are often used to reach brand awareness, promote product or service, or drive traffic to a website. Display ads are typically purchased on the cost per impression, CPI, cost per impression, or cost per thousand impression, CPM based, cost per mile, minimum. Managing that the advertise pay each time that ads display center number of times. The video ads. A video ads use video content to promote your products, service, or brands. This ad can appear on various platforms, including social media, reels, or posts. The staying service charges as YouTube and website video ads on YouTube can be per roll, media roll, or post roll ads. Managing the can appear before, during, or after video ads can skippable or non-skippable ads. Video ads are usually inactive and have a clickable elements such as call to action, links, or forums. They are usually purchased on a cost per view CPV, cost per view, or cost per click CPC base when the advertisers pay each time that ad is viewed or click on. Remarkable to regetting, remarking to or regetting. Remarking is a form of advertise that always business to shows ad to user how have preferential integrate with their website or mobile apps. Remarketing ads are typically shows to use as they browse others' website. Or as they use mobile apps and are deciding to remind the user of the business and recognize them to return to the website or apps. Remarketing ads can be delivered in various formats, such as display ads, search ad, video ad, and social media ad. They are usually purchased on a cost per click CPC or cost per throws impatient and CPM cost per mile base. Remarketing campaigns are highly targeted and effective at drive conversion and sale. They work by tracking users' behavior on a website on mobile app, then using that data to show them target ads as they browse others' website or use others' app. This is done by playing a click or pixel on the user browser delivered, which is then used to identify them and save the relevant ad. Others type ad types. Additional ad types are convert used on the above categories but have difference charging such as the type of business always to use it and set up requirements which includes remarketing, listing for search at RLSA, performance max, local search ad. Friends, very interesting and nice lecture and very important part the type of Google PPC ads as like but type of PPC ad, search ad, display ad, video ad, remarketing ad, and others ad type. Thank you. Best of luck. Thank you very much.